Have you ever wondered why rotisserie chicken is so juicy compared to a dry roast? The secret isn't just the seasoning, it's how the physics of rotation changes everything about heat transfer. Rotisserie cooking is a specific method where meat is skewered on a long metal rod called a spit and slowly rotated over a heat source. Unlike static roasting, this constant movement allows the food to cook evenly on all sides simultaneously. The magic happens because the rotating meat acts as its own baster. As the exterior browns and renders fat, those flavorful juices drip down and coat the meat continuously without you needing to add a single drop of oil or butter. This self-basting process ensures unmatched moisture retention. The constant turning prevents the exterior from drying out before the inside is cooked, resulting in a tender texture that is scientifically harder to achieve with traditional grilling methods. The tool itself usually consists of smaller metal forks piercing the meat to hold it securely on the spit. These forks allow the motor or crank to turn the load effortlessly while keeping the food stable over the flame. Because the rotation distributes heat so effectively, you don't actually need to monitor the meat constantly like you would with grilling. The method requires significantly less attention while still producing perfectly seasoned, cooked-through results. Ultimately, this technique transforms simple roasting into a foolproof way to maximize flavor and juiciness. The result is a meal where the meat bastes itself, guaranteeing a delicious outcome with minimal effort from the cook. Now that you understand the mechanics behind the perfect roast, what type of protein do you think benefits most from this method? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more cooking science.